it's your boy Iron Man, back out here in the middle of the night, on the way to work. Man, it feels good out here. I'm the only one out here. It is crazy. This wind therapy is lovely. I love all the lights. They go to city in the back, drop right there. Winston-Salem. Hey, Nabisco! That's where I'm going. I dropped in Nabisco. I'm a truck driver. That was one of our trucks right there. That was dope. I wonder who was in that truck. I'll find out in about an hour or two. So yeah, this is how you drive at night. It's nice. It's a good time to come out here and practice. When you're by yourself out here, you can learn the road. Find your little nooks and crannies in the road, your dips, your potholes. You know what I'm saying? Get used to the routes that you normally would ride. So when the traffic comes, you don't have to worry about those little nuances you already know. And you know what I'm saying? It makes you a better rider. It's love out here. It's nice. You just gotta be safe. Make sure you go ahead and take the MSF course, the MFS course, and listen to your instructors and do everything that they say, because that is vital. I messed around and didn't think it was. I tried to get on the bike while I was going to the class and learning what I was supposed to do, and it cost me. It cost me a couple months of not riding. You know what I mean? So take it from me, like, do what you gotta do first. Take the necessary precautions first. Get your gear, get everything you need, get your knowledge, and then get out here and get on the road when you're more equipped. Then it makes for a better ride and a better appreciation of what you're doing. So that's it. That's my wisdom for you today. Make sure you keep two on the ground, sunny side up. This Iron Man out.